Hi viewers, welcome to MATLAB channel. Today's section we are going to see what are prime numbers and composite numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers and composite numbers? Okay, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's move on to today's section. Before entering into prime number and composite number, you have to know what is a factor. What are the terms factor? What do you mean by factor? So factor of a number means what? You have to know about the prime number. Okay, factor of a number is factors are the numbers you multiple to get another number. Okay, factors are the numbers you multiple to get another number. For instance, factors of C, you are going to find 15. The number is 15. You are going to find the factors of 15 means in which table and all you will get 15. You have to write that. See here it's because here it's 3 and 5. Why means in 3 table you will get 15, right? Similarly in 5 table you will get 15. So factors of 15 means 1 in one table you will get every number. So for all numbers you will get factor 1. Okay, and also you will get the number itself. Okay, what the given number, that also a factor of that number. Okay, so factors of 15 means what you will get 1 and 3 table you will get 3 into 5. So 5 is also a factor, and then 15. So 1 and itself, 1 the number which given, those two numbers will be always there for every number. Okay, each and every number you will get two factor, minimum two factor. What is that? One is the number 1 and another is that number itself. Okay, so other than those two numbers, what are the factors you will get for 15? 3 and 5. Okay, so this is the terminology factor means. Okay, now let's move on to today's section, that is what is prime number and composite number. Prime numbers means numbers having only two factors, one and itself, are called prime factors. Okay, now you know about the factors, right? Factor means the given number, which table and all it will go to that number. Okay, suppose if it is 12 means what will be the factors of 12? 1, 2 and 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, why means in those table you will get the answer 12. Okay, in 1 2 table, 3 table, 4 table you will get 12. So for 12 means you will get those numbers as factors. Okay, take 19, number 19. Okay, 19 means what and all factors you will get? 1 and 19 only. Why means except those two numbers you won't get in any other table. 19. Okay, so that is called prime number. Number having only two factors, one and itself, are called prime factors. Okay, what do you mean by composite number? Numbers which are not prime are called as composite numbers. That is, numbers having more than two factors are called as composite numbers. If you are giving one number, first you have to find the factors of that number. If you are having only two factors means that is 1 and the number itself, then the number comes under prime number. If it is not means, then it's comes under composite number. Okay, I hope you clear. See, numbers from 1 to 50. We have wrote the numbers from 1 to 50, right? Now we have to check which number and all prime and which and all not prime. What is the procedure to find? You have to check the factors of number. Okay, factors of the given number. If you have more minimum 3 means it comes under composite number. Okay, so let me check first. First, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 is always neither prime nor composite. It won't comes under prime or composite. Okay, it's just a number. Let's start with 2. See, 2 is a prime or composite. Let me check. First, you have to check the factors of 2, right? Factors of 2 means what are all? 1, 2 and that's all. So you are having only two factors. So since you are having two factors, it comes under prime number, right? Yeah. 2 is a only even prime number. Let me check next even number 4. All even numbers will comes under the table 2 table. So you will get minimum 3 factors for even number except 2. except to all other even numbers you will get minimum 3 factor. So it always remember, even in even numbers only 2 is a prime number. Okay, other all even numbers will comes under composite number. Okay, so you can just take away all even numbers. Okay, you just take away all even numbers. So let me show you next. See here I took all the even numbers. Okay, now leftover numbers you have to check whether it is prime or composite. Okay, let's go to 3. 3, you have to check the factors of 3. You will get only 1 and 3. So it comes under prime number. Okay, now multiples of 3 won't come. I mean 3 into 6. Already we took 6. Why means it's a even number. Okay, then 3 threes are 9. So you have to take the 9 here. Okay, then 3 fours are 12. it it's not there. Why means it's even number. Okay, so 15 you have to take. So except 3, the others multiples of 3 will not come. Why means if you check the factors of that number, you will get minimum 3, 1 3 and the number itself, so it won't come. So just multiples of 3, what are all numbers you having here, just take away. Let me show you next. See, I took the 19, 15, 21. Okay, 24 it's even number. So 27, that and all I took. Why means it's all even, it's all multiples of 3. So it's not comes under prime number. Okay. Then you can go to 4. 4 it's already even number. So we took away. Okay. So 5. Let me check with 5. You will get the factor of 5 as 1 and 5. So if 5 is a prime number. Now you have to take all the multiples of 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, see here. 20 and all we got. Why means already we gone. Why? It's all even number. So now you have to take the 25, 35, 45, that number and all. Okay, 45 already gone here. Why? It's multiples of 3. Okay, next slide. See, we took all the multiples of 3, multiples of 5. Okay, now 6 is a even number, so gone. Multiples of 6 is any other there? No. Now check for 7. For 7 you are having only 2 factors, so 7 is a prime number. See, for check number 11, 11 is also having 2 prime. So 13, 19, if you check these numbers all, you will get only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. It won't comes under any other tables. Okay, so these and all the prime numbers. So from 1 to 50, these and all the prime numbers. Okay, if you want to list the numbers from 1 to 50 means you can write these numbers. Why means it won't come under any other table except 1 and the number itself. It will have only 2 factors. So today concept what we saw is prime and composite numbers. Okay, prime numbers means it will have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. What do you mean by factor here? What do you mean by factor here? Factor means factors are multiples of the number. Okay, if you multiple the numbers means you will get another number. Okay, minimum you will get 3 numbers. Okay, that is 1 and the number itself and any other number. Okay, then it is called composite number. If you have only 2 factor means it comes under prime number. Okay, I hope you understood the today concept. Okay, if you have any doubt, please give your feedback in comment section. Okay, and if you want any other topic particularly, please let me know. So thank you for watching.